Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope by the end of this video you will hit that subscription button and remember to hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified of new uploads. Now in this video I want to help you to find cost-effective and earth-friendly way of wrapping your gifts for your gift giving this Christmas. And so I am looking at materials around your home that you can transform. So how about some cereal boxes? I will be showing you how to transform your cereal boxes into lovely gift bags. So let's get started, my friends. What I want to do in this, or what I will be doing in this video, is just show you a basic box. So the first thing you want to do is carefully open your cereal box. So you know you open one end to get the package out. So the other end you open first and then open the side of the cereal box. And now we're going to fold it in on itself and use hot glue to get it together. Then you can get your gift in, and either you can go ahead and glue the bottom or you can just tape the bottom. So if all you need is a basic box, that's how we do it. Now, previously I showed you how to use cereal boxes to make gift bags and gift boxes. Now, it doesn't have to be cereal boxes. It can be any boxes, like your pasta boxes, your cracker boxes. In this video, I will be showing you how to transform your basic brown paper bag into a gift bag. So this bag, brown bag, we actually got when we ordered out some food, and usually I save them because they're pretty good, right? They're useful. And so let's go ahead and show you how to transform it into a gift bag. Now the first thing you want to do is square off the top of the bag. Now I have some 1-inch strips that I have cut from cartridge paper. What I'm going to do is take my glue gun and I'm basically going to put glue along the top of the bag here and start gluing the strips to the paper bag. I am putting my handle 2.5 inches from here to here, and then I'll measure off 2.5 inches on this side also. So I did this bag here, but because it is smaller and it is lighter, I use the fine burlap twine for the handles. However, this bag is more substantial, and so I will be using this polyester cord, which is thicker for this bag. And so I just measure off a piece that I want to use, and then I cut it, put it evenly, and then cut it in two. Then to get this end through the grommet here, I will get a piece of tape, and I'll just use the tape on the end here. Now I have a point. I can put the cord through. There we go. Pull it right through from the back to the front, and then push it back through the other side here. Take the tape off, and then we'll go ahead and tie the cord on the inside. You could do this, or you could make a knot over here and a knot over here on the inside. I prefer to tie it together on the inside, and then just pull this out, and there is your one handle. Pull it in, and there is your bag. That's your gift bag, a basic brown paper bag. What do you think, my friends? Lovely gift bags from Basic Brown Paper Bags. Well, you can save all those brown paper bags that you get from take-ins, or you could buy these smaller ones at the dollar store. I got like 100, I think, of them in a package. I think they were $1.50 because I like to keep them for snacks for my sons, or for myself for that matter. But yeah, guys, if you know somebody who would appreciate this idea, please share it with them. Also, leave me a thumbs up and your comments in the comment section below. And if you have watched this video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also, remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.